They're so cute. They're the cutest kitty witty willies. One of them is hiding behind Julie's jacket. They're so cute. They're okay. I'll tell you where I got these cats. So my mom, there was originally 4 of them, 3 girls and 1 boy, and they're all siblings. And my mom got them from a Wegmans parking lot from some guy. Apparently his girlfriend wanted to give him away. We took 2 of them and we gave 2 of them to an animal shelter. And the 2 ones we kept, one of them was named Amber, the one that meows a lot more and doesn't have the white feet. They kind of look like socks. That one's Amber. The other one we haven't decided a name for yet. But they're both like really nice cats, and they're both girls. Yep. I'm gonna film them now. But they're really cute cats. Look at that kitty eating her food. She's so cute. I gotta upload this to the internet. She's so cute. Look at that kitty. She's under the glass table. She's so cute. And she's playing with the cat toy. He's so cute. He's so cute. Oh, cute. And look at this kitty doing her kitty walk. They're so cute. Now they're both under. She's so cute. She is so cute. Oh, she's looking right at me. I'll get down a bit lower. Look, aren't they just so cute? Look at those kitties. Hear that meow, it's so cute. Hi, kitty. So cute. Look at those kitty witties. So cute. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, it's raining outside. Look at that cute kitty witty. They're so cute. They're the cutest kitty witty. My saying kitty witty is pretty annoying, right? I'm just gonna call them cute kitties. They're so cute. They're the cutest cats, the cutest kitties. Well, that one's licking its paw. Hazel's licking her paws. And the other one is kind of standing there. I'm gonna pet you. Good kitty. They're so shy. Good kitty witty. Good. Oh, right. I should stop saying kitty witty. Good kitty. Good Hazel. Good Hazel. God, she's so cute. Good Hazel. Good Hazel. You're a good kitty, Hazel. Look at this one. This one is the one we haven't decided a name for yet. Has a little bit white fur. She's more shy too. Stay. So cute. He's so cute. Oh, also we have this jelly bean machine in our basement. This is my mom's basement. That meowing noise is so cute. I'm sorry, kitty. They're so cute. Look at that one. Man, it's raining outside. Oh, also, by the way, we have a swimming pool at my house. Oh, they're looking out the window at the rain. Look, the kitties are so curious about the rain. Oh, that one's just staring out the window. It's so cute. That one is... They're hopping up there and they're stepping in the Crocs. They're so cute. And the meowing noise. so cute. Ooh, wonder what she's gonna do next. Ooh, she's sniffing the Crocs. Ooh. They really wanted to get outside the basement. So, keeping in the basement was we have a dog named Jasper that's really aggressive. And actually bit me a few times. He's stopped now. He's a lot more relaxed. But he doesn't really like strangers. That's why we're keeping him away from the kittens and keeping the kittens in the basement. But Jasper just won't go in the basement. Jasper just really won't go up or downstairs. Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. You're so cute, kitty witty witty. Oh, I stopped saying kitty witty witty. You're such a cute kitty. Good kitty, 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 kitty. They're so cute. They're so cute. The cat's looking at the rain again. They're so cute and they're looking at the rain. So cute. That one's also looking at the rain now. They're so curious about it and stuff. They're so cute. Oh, also, some really cool stuff that is in my mom's basement is let me turn around. It is a sword. Yeah, we got the swords. I should probably keep the swords away from the kittens, though. Because, like, it's unsafe for kittens to be around swords. Owie. Okay. Alright, I'm back. They're so cute. They're like so cute. I'm gonna pet this one. That meow noise is so cute. This one also meows, but way less. Also, this one has a longer tail for some reason. Good kitty. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, the little kitty sneezed. You're so cute. Oh, she's licking her paw. Oh, also, guys, I'm thinking about staying in that cage for 8 hours straight and streaming on Twitch. Probably gonna try and get my mom to upload this to YouTube. They're so cute. And also, these kitties are gonna be with me on my stream on Twitch. It's an artistic piece where I just stay in a cage for 8 hours straight, and basically it's about like the cats are the owners and I'm like the pet in like the cage. Basically, we're like swapping places, kind of. For some reason, I don't know what the purpose of it is. It's just an interesting concept. How like, actually no, that's a stupid concept. I don't know. I just like being in a cage. It's fun. He's so cute. Hey, I wonder what's in here. Oh, you can't see it on the camera. It's kind of dark in there. Good kitty, witty, witty. They're the best kitty, witty, 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 witty. Alright, I should stop filming.